In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from MoneyGram to a bank account. So this can be your own bank account or someone else's. Now to do this, what you want to go and do is just click on send money in the bottom and then just choose the country that the bank account you want to send to is in. For example, I'll select the Philippines. Now from here, for the payout method, you just want to select bank. Then here you can select a payout option, so a bank deposit in all commercial banks in this case, or a bank deposit in Banco de Oro. Now I'll just go all commercial banks. Now what it says right there kind of differs on which country you want to use, but here now just choose how you want to pay for the transfer. I'll use Ideal and click yes, I agree. Then here just choose how much you want to transfer, for example 25 euros, and then click next. Now here for the receiver, just click add new. Then here, first enter their first name, last name, phone number, the relationship you have with them, and their gender. And then enter their bank name. So these are the ones for the Philippines that have pretty much every single one. And then enter their account number and click save. After adding your recipient, you can then just confirm the transfer by paying for it, and then it will be deposited into the bank account. So now you know how to transfer money from MoneyGram to a bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.